Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English Fast TV. In this video, you will learn real English speaking through a cute Omegle-style conversation.
You will learn daily English sentences, flirty pickup lines, romantic English conversation, and beginner-friendly pronunciation.
So if you want to improve your English and also learn how to flirt in English,
this video is perfect for you.
don't worry if your English is not perfect. Just listen carefully and repeat after us.
Speak slowly, practice every day, and your English will improve step by step.
All right, grab your headphones, relax, and enjoy this fun English conversation practice.
Let's start.
Hey, hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Hi.
Wow, you were the first friendly person I met today.
Really? Maybe you were lucky today.
I think so, because I found the prettiest girl on Omegle.
Oh, wow, that is a smooth line.
No, that is 100% true.
Do you say that to every girl?
Only to girls who make me smile in 5 seconds.
That was actually cute. So, what is your name?
My name is Alex, and yours?
I'm Emma.
Emma. Wow, your name sounds like a movie star name.
You really like flirting, huh?
I'm practicing my English and my flirting skills together.
Dangerous combination.
What about you? Why are you on Omegle tonight?
Honestly, I was bored, and now I'm talking to a funny stranger.
Best decision of your day.
Maybe.
Can I say something?
Sure.
You have a very beautiful smile.
Thank you.
And your eyes look dangerous.
Dangerous?
Yes, because now I forgot my English vocabulary.
That was funny.
See, I made you laugh again. I'm winning.
Winning what?
Your heart.
You are very confident. Okay, Mr. Confident, tell me your best pickup line. I'm waiting.
Are you Google?
Why?
Because you have everything I'm searching for.
Okay, that was actually good.
Thank you. I practiced in front of the mirror.
I knew it.
Wait, I have another one.
Go ahead.
Do you have a map?
No. Why?
Because I keep getting lost in your eyes.
Oh my God, that is so cheesy.
But it worked!
So, are you single?
Yes, very single.
Very single?
Yes. Netflix asks me, "Are you still watching?" Because nobody is talking to me.
That is actually funny.
What about you?
I'm single too.
Really? Wow, Omegle is magical tonight.
Slow down, Romeo.
Too late. I already imagined our wedding.
You are crazy.
Maybe a little. What kind of guys do you like?
Funny guys, kind guys, good listeners.
Perfect. That is me.
You forgot humble.
True.
And what kind of girls do you like?
Girls who smile a lot. Like you.
You really know how to flirt.
Only because you make it easy.
Honestly, this was the best conversation I had today.
Same here.
Usually, Omegle conversations are awkward.
Yes, but today I found my future wife.
Relax.
Okay. Future best friend.
That sounds better.
Before you go, one last pickup line.
All right.
I don't need sleep tonight.
Why?
Because you are already in my dreams.
Okay, that was actually sweet.
I'm glad you liked it.
Bye, Alex.
Bye, Emma. Take care.
And keep practicing your flirting English.
Only with you.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this English conversation practice video.
We hope you learned some new English words, flirting sentences, and pronunciation today.
If you enjoyed this video, practice these sentences with your friends and speak English every day.
And don't be shy to speak English. Mistakes are part of learning.
Also, comment below your favorite pickup line from this video.
And tell us who was better at flirting, Alex or Emma.
I already know the answer.
I'm not sure about that.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more beginner English conversations.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone!